Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoom audio settings for clear microphone pickup. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Zoom application on your computer. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings. In the settings menu, select the audio tab on the left sidebar. First, check your microphone input by speaking into your mic. Observe the test mic section to see if the input level responds appropriately. Adjust the input volume slider if necessary to ensure your voice is clearly picked up. Next, uncheck the Automatically Adjust Microphone Volume option for better control. Scroll down to the Suppress Background Noise section. Select the appropriate level depending on your environment, low, moderate, or high. If you're in a quiet space, moderate works well for most situations. For environments with background noise, consider choosing high. Now, click on Advanced at the bottom of the audio settings page. In the Advanced settings, enable the Show in Meeting option to enable original sound feature. This allows for greater audio fidelity during your meetings. Now close the settings window to return to your Zoom main screen. When you start a meeting, look for the Turn on Original Sound button at the top left. Toggle it on to use the settings you configured. Enhance your experience by utilizing a good quality microphone. Consider using headphones to prevent feedback. Conduct a test meeting with a friend to ensure your audio is clear. Adjust settings as needed based on the feedback you receive. That's how you configure Zoom audio settings for clear microphone pickup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.